some of them have actually admitted that this is a tactic designed to stop any reform at all. Some justify a 39% premium increase on Californians. The company admitted the error and backed off its plan. And this week, our Secretary of Health and Human Services
stood up, straight-backed, and with Barnard's acceptance letter in hand, she marched down to New York University and said, "Let me in." And she was admitted right away.
She kept pressing for details until I finally just admitted, not without a little pride, that I'm the Joint Chiefs Chairman.
When the Senate Republican leader, Mitch McConnell, visited that closed bridge in Kentucky that I was talking about, he admitted, look, roads and bridges are not partisan in Washington. That's a quote from him. Now, the year I graduated, this area looks familiar. The year I graduated was 1983, the first year women were admitted to Columbia. Now, even he's admitted in hindsight, it may have been the beer muscles talking, but he followed through, and he started in Long Island. He ended up in San Diego. Among the last two graduating classes in the Adverb program, 98% were admitted to a four-year college. We have had, I think, had to manage what was a good decision to make sure that folks who previously had difficulty accessing VA services were finally admitted, whether it was because they had PTSD or folks with cases previously of Agent Orange, all of which meant more people coming into the system. There's always going to be some prioritization in terms of who's admitted and who's not. But by the time I got to law school, once you were admitted, people just kind of said, well, don't worry about it.